Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have an update for Deck of Panning and it's pretty good. I have 2 rollouts out of 5 products, so not a complete success, but that's okay. This is our penultimate update. Next month is the finale, so let's get into it and see what I can roll out and draw some new cards to bring new things in. So stay tuned. Deck of Panning is a panning project that was created by Emily here on YouTube at Emily and Max, and she was inspired by a booktuber's to be read game called by Books with Maddie. And each month we draw cards that correspond to a game board or spreadsheet that Emily shuffles each month, and we work on prompts related to each of those cards. So it started on January 20th and goes until December 20th, and yeah, next month is the finale. I have 2 rollouts this month, so I'll be drawing 2 new cards, and I have not looked at the game board, so I have no idea what the options are. And my shirt is crooked. That's what I get. It's alright. It's gonna stay crooked, I'm sure. But anyway, this way. There we go. Anyway, moving on. So, what have I been working on? The first prompt I'm working on, it was for the Two of Hearts, and at that time it was primer. So I brought in my Yensa primer. This is the Tone Up Primer in Essential Glow. I have been working on this primer probably all year, and I am trying to finish it. My goal is 20 uses or finish. I marked it there, and I looked today and it still looks the same. There's product coating the sides. I did use it today and it's still coming out, so don't know. I have 15 uses so far since bringing it in July, August, in August. So 5 more uses and my goal will be met unless I finish it before then. Who knows? Like I said, product is stuck to the side. Unless I cut this open and scrape it out, I have no idea how much product is left. So we'll see. But that is staying in for another 5 uses at least. The next prompt was for the Eight of Hearts, and at that time the prompt was warm toned, so I brought in a warm tone eyeshadow. I brought in a shade from my Marvicorn. I'm working on the shade Honey Bobu, which is this one right here. It is the only eyeshadow in this palette that does not have pan, and my goal was to use it 5 times, hoping I would hit pan. Last update I'd used it 3 times, and over the last month I've used it 2 more. I am wearing it today in the inner half of my lid, and as you can see, there's still no pan. I will give you a swatch of it. I was like, did I hit pan while swatching it? Nope, not at all. That's okay. But there it is. It is a lovely, warm, sort of golden orange color. Really pretty. I do enjoy wearing it, and hopefully I will hit pan in it soon. I had spray tan and before in another project, and I hit pan in 1 use. So 5 uses and still no pan. It is a satin formula, but yeah, it's not moving. So, you know, what can I do? I'll hit pan eventually. It's so close. It is so close. I just know it is. But that is a goal met, so it is rolling out. The next one was for the Eight of Hearts in September, and that one was primer. I get Eights of Hearts and primer a lot. So I brought in my other primer, and this is from NYX. This is the Hydra Touch primer, and my goal is to use it 10 times. At the last update, I used it 4, and over the last month, I've used it 3 more times, bringing me to a total of 7 uses. So I have 3 more uses left to go on this one, and it should be no problem to meet the goal for that before the finale. The next prompt was for the Three of Clubs, and that was astrology sign. and I am a Capricorn, and Capricorns are earthy, so I picked a earthy colored lip liner. This is from NYX. It is their NYX lip pencil, and this one is in the shade Espresso. I don't know why I decided to swatch with the hand I did, but I did, and so I will give you a swatch of it. And that is what it looks like. It is just a nice brown lip liner. My goal was to wear it 10 times. At the last update, I'd worn it 8, and over the last month, I've worn it more than 2 times, but I did meet my goal. I am not wearing it today. I've been wearing it every day when I do my makeup, except today, at least since bringing it into this project. But yeah, I did sharpen it, so I mean, there's quite a bit left to go. And it is a stiffer formula, but it's still nice enough to work. And I do like how it neutralizes or deepens some of my lip colors. So yeah, I'm going to keep it in my collection, but it is a goal met for this project. And then finally last month, I brought in the 2 of Diamonds, and that one was Change Suit. So I brought in the 2 of Clubs, which was a pencil, and I brought in an eyeliner. This is, I looked it up finally. The brand is Tanais, Tanais. I could be saying that wrong. And the color is Divine Callow. And it is their Kajal pencil. It is a retractable gel eyeliner. And there it is. It's black. I am not wearing it today, but I have worn it quite a few times. The only thing I don't like about it is a thick pencil, and it does not have a built-in sharpener on the end. So just have to be careful with it. My goal is to use it 10 times, and I have used it 4 times since bringing it in last month. So I have 6 more uses left to go on that. And that is everything I've been working on. So 2 rollouts means we're going to bring in 2 new products. I have my cards here. I'm going to get them out and start shuffling while I pull up the game board. So one moment. Okay, I have the game board pulled up in front of me. I'm going to start shuffling the cards while I take a look at it. Ooh, hold on. I have an extra joker in here. I forgot to pull it out. Okay. Good thing I checked that before I started shuffling, because I went to split the deck and one of the cards was facing the wrong way. My cards are being warped. Anyway, let's take a look at what we've got to work with. So we've got Copycat, Foundation, Out of Control Category, SPF, Out of Your Hands. Ooh, that's a hard one. It's okay. In It for the Long Haul. I think I've mentioned this before. I had that one twice last year. Random Uses, Favorite Brand, Glittery. Three's a Crowd. I don't know what that is. Primer is on here again. Let's just look. The 8 of Hearts is a Black-owned makeup brand. And Spotlight Panner. Matches eye color. My eyes are blue-gray. I have shirt. I don't think so. I don't know if she's removed Matches shirt or if it just hasn't been popping up lately. Yes. Anyway, okay. So I think that's pretty good. I haven't, unshuffled them since last time, so we're gonna go ahead and just pull off the top. We have the 7 of Clubs, which is No Pan Left Behind. Okay, and the 2 of Spades, which is SPF. Okay. Give me a moment to pick my products and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and that was fairly easy. So the first card I got was the 7 of Clubs, and that is No Pan Left Behind. So that is to use every pan in a palette. So I decided to go with something easy because it is the last month before the update, and I'm bringing in something that is in my eyes project, which I'm doing No Pan Left Behind. So I'm bringing in something I'm doing No Pan Left Behind for already. So I'm bringing in the Hershey's Kisses Special Dark Palette, and I'm going to use each shade twice, since I've already used some of the shades in here already for my No Pan Left Behind Eyes Project pan. So now I'm going to use everything in this palette twice, and I'm wearing 3 of the shades today. And there are 6 shades in here, so a nice easy one. Today I'm wearing these 2 mattes here in my transition and base on my lid, and then this shade in the outer corner and along my lower lash line. So yeah, this is an easy one to do. So I'm bringing this in 2 uses on each shade. And then the last card I brought in was the 2 of spades, and that was SPF. So I'm bringing in my SPF face lotion. This is from Sunbum. This is their face 70. I sometimes get the 50, but this time I got 70 because it was what was there. And I'm just going to bring it in to use twice because I drew the 2 of spades. And I don't want to be using this when I don't need to, and this time of year I don't really need it because there isn't much sun, and I'm spending a lot more time inside because it's cold out. And this doesn't expire until October of next year, so I don't want to use it up prematurely. I did mark it. I'm way down there already, so yeah, just going to bring this in for 2 uses. I do have another moisturizer I'm using as my day moisturizer, which is what I've been using these for in the past. But like I said, I don't want to use it up prematurely when I don't have to. So that is everything. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you do that while you're here. That way you can stay up to date on all my panning adventures and see what I'm planning for next month or next year. And the next month I will be posting inventory pictures, or inventory videos, so you can see all the things I have in my collection if that is something you're interested in. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I love you no matter who or what you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.